Well, as you keep saying, this is the one thing that really affects everybody, right? Across the country, gas prices are soaring. The average gas tank now costs more than $60 to fill up.
Prices per gallon are up 40 cents since just last week, the highest we've seen gas prices in 14 years, which was back in 2008 during the recession. So let's take a look at the changing gas prices. Right now in Arizona, we are at a record high, $4.13 a gallon. Yesterday's average was about $4.08 a gallon. A week ago, $3.81. A month ago, $3.64. And then the good old days, a year ago, just $3 a gallon. So you're paying more for a tank of gas than Arizonans have ever paid before.
And we're really just beginning to see the impacts of all of this. Elliot Polikoff is live for us tonight in Phoenix with more on what the high prices mean for families and businesses too. Elliot.
Yeah, Jared and Jamie, the short-term fallout of these rising gas prices is pretty simple. People are going to have to save elsewhere if they don't want to increase their weekly spending. Fortunately, there are some things you can do, though, to maximize that mileage so that you don't have to adhere to the gas station as often.
Everybody has to go to work. Everybody has to, make their money to help pay some of these expenditures.
Despite gas prices rising, and then rising some more, GoodWorks auto repair owner Glen Hayward doesn't see many Arizonans looking for electrical alternatives.
Cost is very high. The installation of the charging units and stuff, many of the older homes in this valley here don't even have the electrical amperage capacity to be able to put in one of those things, so where are they going to charge their vehicle?
Hayward anticipates Arizona drivers hitting the road less frequently if they can, but when it's necessary to drive, he has a few suggestions to maximize your mileage.
Make sure that your tires are properly inflated, because underinflated tires can cost you up to 2 to 3 miles to the gallon. Just plan your trip, plan your route, make sure you're taking the shortest route and you're not backtracking from one place to the other.
For Arizona nonprofit Waste Not, which delivers excess food from businesses to help feed the hungry, Director Hillary Bryant says this extra planning has prevented the company from changing its business model.
We do a lot of work around logistics to make sure that we're not wasting any gas and that we're doing things as efficiently as possible.
But all the planning in the world can't completely prepare Bryant, her company, or other Arizonans for a gas price increase that looks like it has no peak in sight.
Whatever goes to gas is taken away from other things that we could be doing, expanding our programs, that kind of stuff. We're also potentially worried of a decrease in volunteers because of the expense of gas.
Hayward says that when it comes to the quality of one gas station's gas versus another, they're all pretty good quality. But he does say if your car is supposed to take regular gas and you're giving it Plus or Supreme gas, that's not going to improve your mileage. So if you're doing that, stop. And then right there, you've saved some money right off the bat. For now, live in Phoenix, Elliot Polikoff, Arizona's Family.
Good tip, Elliot. Thank you so much. The spike in gas prices is particularly